So let's do unboxing for this Soundcore by Anker. So this is from Amazon, and I purchased this one like $99. That's discounted already. So we're going to unbox. So 24 hours Playtime, IPX7 customization, IP Bluetooth, and BassUp. So let's start to unbox this. So here, guys, as you can see, there's a lot of specification here. Powerful stereo sounds, power IQ charge out, custom EQ, titanium driver passive. You can post a video, Soundcore app, 24 hours, fully waterproof, 40K HA, and BassUp technology, USB-C connectivity, and USB cable included. And you can download the application. So let's do this. So this is it. So at first, if you open, see the manual. It's just a small one. Anker, there's a manual here. So everything is here. You can post the video. If you like to buy this, I have a link there in the description below. So it's here. Volume on. See, on. Battery number 2, Bluetooth. So this is the manual for this. So we're going to put this one first. And now there's a cable here. This is USB-C. See, guys, this is good. We will see if there's a charge. So I'm going to put this one. So inside, no more. There's empty. This is the box by Anker. So I'm going to remove this bolt, and ta-da-da! This is the speaker. A little bit heavy, but oh, it's closed here. So we're going to open here. Oh my god, look like a set. So this is the motion. Boom. You will check this one here. So this is the connector, guys. Input and the IQ. So it's good. And this is the Soundcore in the top, the name. And this is the bass, Bluetooth, volume rocker, the sign plus the on. So this is the speaker. See? This is the 2 here. And there's a logo here, Soundcore. And the back here. So we'll try to on. We'll see if there's a battery. You'll see the battery on. See, guys? Now we're going to connect to the phone. Okay? See, it's automatically looking for the Bluetooth. As you can see, right? So we'll start to connect this one. I'm going to connect this phone for the meantime. So we'll see how fast the connection. So speaker, you know, it's connecting. Soundcore, boom, guys, boom, very fast. Oh my god. Oh, it's connected already. Did you hear that? So we'll try to make it sure. This one will make it more volume. This one, okay? Okay, let's do this. The count of 3. Go. See, guys? Wow, that's so loud.
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends?
Did you hear that, guys?
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be
So make it the volume. See, this is the smaller one. Yeah. See, I will make it more full volume. See? So that's not maximize volume. So my son don't like that sound too much. See? You like it, guys? Yeah, turn it down, he said. we click the bass. Or the bass without bass.
Houston judges
Oh,
release
see, guys?
thousands of violent
With the
criminals
bass,
every year. One of them
It's
killed
good with the
Stacy's
bass.
son.
As you can see here, oh, it's moving here.
Family
See?
shattered.
It's
Judges
so
who look
good.
out for killers before families. They're all Democrats.
See,
Vote
what
them
can you
out.
say about that? Yeah, I already turned it down. So that's all, guys. This is the quick unboxing with the sound check for the speaker. Thank you.